Hi everyone. Look what time it is now. What time is it now? Right now it is 11:56 a.m. So it's 11:56 a.m. That means it's almost noon. It's almost 12 p.m. So right now it's 11:56 a.m. It's almost 12 p.m. That means it's almost time for lunch. So I'm hungry and I want to eat something for lunch. I want to eat lunch right now. So what do I want to eat for lunch? I want to have, for lunch, I want to eat a cheeseburger. So here's a bun, here's some meat, and here's some cheese. So I want to eat a cheeseburger for lunch. I also want some French fries for lunch. Here's some French fries. And I also want some coffee. So here is a cup of coffee. So for lunch, I want to eat a cheeseburger and some French fries. And I also want to drink some coffee for lunch. So now I'm going to go to a restaurant and order some lunch. I will order a cheeseburger, I will order some French fries, and I will order some coffee. So I'm going to go to a restaurant right now. So I will order the cheeseburger. The cheeseburger costs $5, and I will order the coffee. The coffee costs $1. So here's my coffee. This is a cup of coffee. Here's the saucer. Here is a spoon to stir the coffee with. And here's the sugar to add to the coffee, and here's the milk. But I don't want any sugar, so I will just add the milk to the coffee. So here's the milk, and I will pour the milk in the coffee. Pour all the milk in the coffee. And then I will stir it with the spoon. So I will stir the coffee with the spoon. Stir the milk into the coffee. You can see it's spinning around there. It's still spinning, slowing down. Okay, and there's my coffee with milk. So now the coffee is brown, there's milk in the coffee, and you can see on top there's some foam here on the coffee. So here is the lunch that I ordered. Here is my fork and knife. And there are the French fries. There's the French fries that I ordered. And here is the cheeseburger. And this cheeseburger has an egg on top. There's the bun. There's the bun. You can see the bun. It's crispy. There's the bun. And there's an egg on top. This is a fried egg. You can see it's fried. This is the egg white. And this is the egg yolk. And under the egg, let's see what's under the egg. Under the egg, there's the cheese. You can see there's cheese. The cheese is melting under the egg because it's hot. There's the cheese under the egg, and it's melting. And there's also bacon here. There's the bacon under the cheese. And under the cheese and bacon is the hamburger meat. And under that is lettuce. There's some lettuce here. So this is my cheeseburger. There's lettuce. It has the hamburger meat. It has bacon. It has cheese. There's the cheese there. It's melting. And on top there's an egg. There's a fried egg. There's the egg white. And this is the egg yolk. And there's a bun on top. And there are the French fries that I ordered. So I will put some ketchup. There's some ketchup. So here's some ketchup. I will put some ketchup on my plate, squeeze some ketchup out of the bottle. So there's some ketchup to go with the French fries. So here I'll take a French fry and I'll dip it in the ketchup. And that's good. And I'll put the bun on my cheeseburger. And it's time to eat. This cheeseburger tastes very good. It's delicious. It's very good. So again, you can see there's lettuce there. There's the egg, fried egg. There's bacon and cheese, and there's the hamburger meat. So this cheeseburger is very good. It's delicious. So I've eaten about half the burger. Oh, the cheeseburger also has some tomato there's some tomato, and it also has some onions. There's some onion. That was good. I finished my hamburger, and I finished most of the French fries. So there's just a few crumbs there, some crumbs here, and a bit of egg yolk from the egg, and there's the ketchup and French fries. So all I have left is these French fries. And I've also drank most of the coffee now, so I'm almost finished. There's my last French fry. I just have one more French fry here. So this is the last French fry. And I will take it with the fork and dip it in the ketchup and eat the last French fry. That's delicious. And there, I finished my lunch. I just have some coffee left, so I'll have the rest of my coffee. I finished my lunch, I finished eating my lunch, and I finished my coffee. I finished drinking my coffee. So that was good. That was tasty. That was delicious. So now I will pay for my lunch. So I have $10 here. I have a $10 bill here. So my lunch cost $6, so I have enough to pay for it. I have $10. So I gave $10 in cash, and I got back $4 in change. $1, $2, $3, $4. So I got back $4 in change. Hi again. So today at about 12 p.m., at about noon, I was feeling hungry, so I wanted to go out and eat lunch. I decided to go out and eat lunch. So I went to a restaurant. And at the restaurant, I ordered some lunch. I ordered a cheeseburger for lunch. I ordered some French fries with the cheeseburger, and I ordered some coffee. So I got a cheeseburger, and the cheeseburger had in it, of course, some meat, some cheese, a slice of cheese. It also had a fried egg. There's a fried egg, there's the egg white and the egg yolk, and it also had tomato in it. It had tomato, and it had some onions in it, and it had some bacon. So the cheeseburger I ordered had beef, it had meat, it had cheese, it had a fried egg, it had onions, and it had a slice of tomato, and it had bacon as well. And I also got French fries with my cheeseburger, and I ordered a coffee. So I got a cup of coffee. So there's the cup of coffee and a saucer, and the coffee came with milk and sugar. There was some sugar. But I did not add the sugar to my coffee. I just added the milk to my coffee. I poured the milk into the coffee, and I took a spoon and I stirred the milk and coffee together. So I had a cheeseburger, and I had French fries, and I had coffee. And the cheeseburger and French fries cost, together, they cost $5. And the coffee cost $1. So altogether, my lunch cost $6. So I paid for my lunch with a $10 bill. So I paid with a $10 bill, and I got back $4 in change. So I got back $4 in change. So I paid with a $10 bill, and it cost $6, so I got back $4 in change. So my lunch cost $6, the cheeseburger and French fries cost $5, and the coffee cost $1, and I paid for it with a $10 bill, and because it cost $6, I got $4 in change. So that was my lunch today. And my lunch was very good. It was delicious. It was very tasty, very delicious. It was very good.